Queen Elizabeth II's legacy is filled with enough ambiguity and inaction around colonialism and racism that it might be easy to understand why people of color might view her different than the adoring public mourning outside the Buckingham Palace. The Queen never apologized for slavery or colonialism or urged the Crown to offer reparations for the millions of lives taken in her or their names. But while the Queen's role in colonialism continues to gnaw at many, the latest generation has focused more on the racism that stems from the royal family, particularly through the Queen's relationship with the first mixed-race member of the royal family, Meghan Markle. In 2021, Meghan Markle said in an interview with Oprah Winfrey that someone in the royal family has expressed concern about her child's skin tone. According to Christopher Anderson's book, Brothers and Wives Inside the Private Lives of William, Kate, Harry, and Meghan, Charles is the unnamed royal who allegedly asked what color Archie's skin was after he was born. The racist rule was in place until at least the late 60s. However, ethnic minorities were allowed to work as servants. Furthermore, a year before, people in the UK and everywhere complained that the Buckingham Palace had no official response to the murder of George Floyd and the global Black Lives Matter movement. In her 69 years on the throne, she has failed to address the racism that undeniably exists in the institution of the royal family. As someone famously said, if you are neutral in a situation of injustice, you have chosen the side of the oppressor.